Hey guys, this is P from Zach Tech, and in this video I will be unboxing the Helix by Wicked. They're a branch of Empire Brands, and Empire Brands has like Wicked, Power Up, I think. They have a couple of brands, and they just make the headphones, iPod chargers, mostly headphones though. And Wicked is one of their brands, and they've decided to send me out the Wicked Helix for a review, and they also sent me the Wicked Tours, which I'll put in a separate video. But before I forget, I have to say that to visit EmpireBrands.com, and that you should become a fan of Wicked Audio on Facebook and follow them on Twitter. And yeah, that's about it. And so let's get into the unboxing. So these are mostly for working out, is what I think, because they have the loops there. And they're just in-ear buds, which we're going to unbox right here. I'm not sure which of these retail for, but we're going to let's see, open the box. 1 second. I might use this knife just to get that little bit of tape cleanly off. There we go. And it looks like this is a pull tab. There we go. Okay. So it goes in the clamshell. We're going to take out the clamshell, and here we have the headphones, and there goes all the little tips. There's a little hair on my background. Okay, so now we have, I think there's something, yep, there's something down here. Looks like a manual. I'm just going to pop that out. See, this could be a manual, it could just be some more advertisement for the headphones. But no, it looks like a manual, so this is just telling you how to remove the Helix, because they actually are, now that I look at them, they're angled, so yeah, it might be a little bit, not a challenge, but it'll be a little bit more different than regular in-ear buds. And tells you specifications, which I'm not going to read because I don't understand them, and I'm pretty sure most of you don't, but I'll read this description right here. Swirl these ear blasters around your ear and feel free to jump, flip, spin, and groove at will. These babies stay so snug on your ear that we dare you to try and ditch them. And on the back here we got some precautions and Wicked Helix lifetime warranty, and yeah, that's basically it. So right here we have the large tips right there, and you have the small tips, and you got the medium tips, I'm guessing, or these could be the large tips and these could be the medium tips, I'm not sure, but these are definitely larger than these. So actually, yeah, these are definitely large, these are medium, and these are small. So you got the large tips in there already, and you just hook these around your ear, and I think these will only work depending on the side, because they're sort of angled in, sort of like the Beats by Dre Tours, and I think the Power Beats also like that. But yeah, so these are pretty cool headphones. A full review will be coming soon once I get to try them out for a bit. This is my first day with them, so yeah, bye guys.